You want to see a hot dropshipping product? Something that's going viral right now, leading into Black Friday, into Christmas and 2023? Well, my friends, my name is Scott Rayleigh. I've made over close to $20 million with e-commerce, guys. My first store was $13 million, but that's besides the point. I want to share with you this amazing product. I'm here to share with you what's working now and how you can go viral and make a ton of money before the holidays. And it's all about the right product. And this STAR Projector I'm going to be breaking down today is phenomenal, guys. It's got a great advertisement. It's a great reviews, great profit margins, incredible profit margins, and it's got a great store that you guys can brand and go viral branding a store about this STAR Projector. We're going to look at the Google Trends. We're going to look at the video, the actual advertisement, and the product cost itself. So if you guys like this, you want to see a really hot product and go over the actual profit margins, and to see, just recently it launched, guys, and it's made over $300,000 to $400,000. This product, the profit margins are over $40 for every sale. It's about a $59 product. And if you guys know this space of constellation and stars, you know that it's already proven, guys. It's a proven space. It's been a ton of profit already, and the stores and the advertisements are amazing. So we're going to go over that today, guys. So if you're excited about this, like this video, give it a comment and give it a share, because we're going to be breaking this down right now, guys. The STAR Projector. So let's take a look at the Google Trends. I know one thing that you guys are going to get excited about is Google Trends doesn't lie, guys. Facts do not lie. The data doesn't lie. And if you see here, every year, right around Christmas time, it goes up. It goes right up in December time. So all I did is put in STAR Projector, and you see here for the last 5 years, it goes up in the December time. And what's going to happen here during Christmas and Black Friday is that this type of product, guys, is going to go viral. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the video now. And I will share with you why I have that type of expertise, guys. My first Shopify store in 2015 made over $12.8 million. I sold bras, cell phone cases, leather phone cases, black mask, makeup, sponges. I mean, tons of products, guys. It would blow your mind. I know when I see a hot winning product. So if you guys like hot winning products and you want to go viral with a business, an e-commerce Shopify business, and you want to have like 6-figure success before the holidays, then you definitely want to like this channel and subscribe, guys, because I talk about high conversion rates, how to brand a store, how to basically launch this brand right here that I'm going to show you and make it a success. That's what I do, guys, and that's what I'm really good at. So let's talk about this after you see this video. Let me go ahead and play this video. I'm going to blow your mind. Let's do it.
I threw away all of my LEDs as soon as I found this.
Yeah.
This is literally so much better. It covers the whole room. It's called the Space Buddy from Plushie.
Oh, let's go.
Get it today for 50% off and comment
Inspiring,
below
guys.
your favorite
Emotional
color.
advertisement. Emotional advertisement. This is the stuff that you need, guys. I'm going to go ahead and replay this video again, guys. It's so good, this advertisement. Let's go
I
and play it
threw away
again.
all of my LEDs as soon as I found this. This is literally so much better. It covers the whole room. It's called the Space Buddy from Plushie. Get it today for 50% off and comment below your favorite color.
Wow, I love it, guys. That is so good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play the TikTok video version of this thing, which is a really good TikTok video, guys.
I'll never shower without my astronaut galaxy projector again.
Again, let me go ahead and play that again. Here we go. That is super good. Here we go, guys.
I'll never shower without my astronaut galaxy projector again.
All right, it's not that much of a video compared to the first one, but what you can do is you can combine them, guys. You could say, all right, the first 10 seconds is really good here, or this 5 seconds is really good with that 20 seconds, and you make a 30-second video, guys. That's completely phenomenal, guys, phenomenal. So let's go ahead and look at the store. And the store is great. It's not the best, but it's something that you guys could look at and have a great idea what it's going to take to have a store that you need to sell this type of product, guys. You need to brand it. And they got the coloring right on this store. They did a great job with the coloring, a great job with the headlines and the actual homepage itself. Guys, this is what you want to be able to do, is you want to make a store exactly like this. We're going to go over the profit margins, the cost of this product, but you can see here, this is the kind of vibe in the store that you want if you're going to sell this product. So that's what's great about what I'm showing you, is that when you have a product that you know is ready to scale and ready to go viral, but you also have a store that you can actually copy over, you can actually like make it better than what you find here. Like anytime I copy something, I make it better, guys. And that's what we do as marketers. So the idea here is to crush it and make this even better, guys. And I could tell that they're using gem pages. I use gem pages as well. And they did an amazing job, guys, on this store. So I want to give a shout out to whoever this is. Congratulations, guys. You guys are going to make $1 million definitely way before, the holidays. So they're going to crush it, guys. And I want to help you crush it. So let's take a look at the profit and cost margins, because that's something that you guys want to definitely understand. All right. So it's an $18 product. Okay. $19 product. And if you could sell it for about $59, or maybe you could sell two for $89, or sell two for $80. Maybe you can give like a really good deal for two. If you sold it like that. But you guys are looking at a product cost around $18 to $17 shipped. So if you can think about it, as long as you can sell it for over $40 or over $45 or over $40 plus shipping, you're going to make a profit, guys, a pretty nice profit. So this is a great product. I usually like to tell my students to go for anything under $15 or under $10, like under $15. But if this is going to be around $17, $18, guys, and the reviews are amazing, the actual reviews are really good. So let's jump over here to AliExpress, and I'll give you an example why I like this niche so much. Well, for the reason I like it a lot, guys, is it's already proven. It's already proven, and it's going into the holidays, so it's going up. And the idea that there's going to be different ones, like this one is sitting down. You're going to have a one sitting down or standing up, or you're going to have different versions. But the idea is, if you can get the customers rolling now, you can get the customers coming in now, you could start building a brand around the STAR projection or the home projection, Starry Night. And you could start really growing a niche around this, guys, because it is a niche. It is a sector, and it has a great future. Okay, it has a great future. So I definitely recommend it, guys. It's a hot product. Check it out. I have one last thing to share with you guys. I got some notes to share with you, reasons why I thought that this product would be great. Okay, I'll just break it down. The product price is $20. The reviews are amazing. Why do I say the reviews are great, guys? Well, if you go back over here to AliExpress, right? Most of these reviews here are 4.9, 4.9 with thousands of orders, guys. 5-star on this new projector, astronaut projector. Real big reviews, guys. Amazing product. That's the kind of stuff that I go for. So let's go back to the notes here. All right. Great reviews. And it's ready to scale. One of the things that I look at, my friends, is the factory actually building this product right now? Is it scaling right now? And you could clearly see it is. You clearly see that, guys. Is it a proven industry? Yes. Is it solving a problem? Yes. Christmas is coming, and Christmas is all about lights. It's all about what's trending. So I really believe, guys, that this astronaut projector is going to go viral for you. It's TikTok worthy. It's TikTok friendly. It's got broad mass appeal. It could sell in Canada, United Kingdom. It could sell anywhere in the world, guys. It's got mass appeal, and it's got huge profit margins. Huge, because it's electronic. People think, okay, I'll spend $59. I'll spend $60 to get a light on my ceiling. But really, you're paying no more than $17, $15, guys, out the door. It's something new. It's exciting. I want you guys to win this Christmas. I want you guys to grow this Christmas. So, guys, let's take a look at the video one last time. And then we can jump over and just end this thing. I appreciate you guys. Definitely, I appreciate you for watching.
I'll never shower without my astronaut galaxy projector again.
All right. So let's get over to the Facebook video. And I think that is even better than this astronaut one. So anyways, guys, I had a lot of fun. I appreciate you. If you guys like this video, definitely comment. Let me know what's up. And if you guys are looking to build a store, make sure that you have it looking better than something like this. You guys need to know how to brand. You need to know how to have as seen on. You need to make sure that the mobile is super friendly. And there's a lot of stuff I do, guys. A lot of high level stuff. I've been doing it for about 4 to 5 years now. So I can't imagine someone would know all this overnight. So please, if you guys that are all interested and you want to know how to launch something like this and crush it with the ads, the marketing, the whole hiring VAs, the supplier relationship, fulfilling these orders, guys, getting them shipped out right away. If you guys want help in that, definitely reach out and I can help you automate every single step of the process, guys. And that's what I do every day. It's all automated, baby. It's all automated. I run the ads and that's what I love to do. So if you guys are like this, you guys interested, hit me up. Let's go, baby. Let's run it up. Let's make that money, baby.